Hey you guys, this is Icha. I'm a banking aspirant targeting SBI PO 2026, mean all the major exams of 2026, especially bank. So in this video, I'm going to share my strategy and all the free resources that you can get from YouTube for prepare bank exam. So let me clear one thing before starting this video that I'm from UP board. I wasn't able to understand when I started. I wasn't able to understand a single passage of English. So my English wasn't good. So how I now I'm doing pretty well. So I'm scoring 25 and 27 out of 30. I started. I was super confused about which faculty to choose and whether to go for free or paid. I wasted lots of time trying different platforms and faculties, but eventually I got some platform that really satisfied me, that really worked for me. And these resources are very effective. That's why I want to share with you. Let's come to the topic. There are three pillars for English, and first one is grammar, second one is reading, and third one is vocab. And about grammar, if I talk about grammar, you first of all you have to figure out that thing that what's your English level. If you are able to understand passage, it's mean you are quite good in grammar. Like you are like know the basic of grammar. It's mean, and I think you should go with 120 rule of Nimcha ma'am, and like you can say that it's a brief explanation of grammar, the whole grammar, and you can go with it. And because she is really, I think this is the best faculty for English. I really appreciate, like really like her. So you can go with her without. If you are facing too much difficulty in English, then you should go with Tarun Grover sir's complete course of grammar that you can easily get on YouTube, and I will provide the link of this playlist, grammar course playlist, in the description. You can get from there. For vocab, you have to follow two resources. First one is any book. I'm following Aman sister book because it has very good example that is very relatable, that helps me to retain the meaning of any words for a long time. Second one is editorial session of Nimsa ma'am. I just want to say this should be the most important. Like you have to follow per day without any procrastination. And the second one, like it will help you in practicing vocab and reading. Like you can say it is overall okay. And if you will follow it, and it will really help you a lot, and then you can go with it. It will help you practice English and reading too. And if you are saying that you should like what is the resources for practicing like video resources are quizzes, then for quizzes you can go with the Smart Kida. There is lots of quizzes that are free on that platform, and you can get, and like you can practice parasambal, close test, passage, RC, like error and vocab and everything, that everything are free there. And for video practice, then you can go with Perfection Can, but you don't have to like pay something, like you don't have to buy something. You can, like there are lots of perfection class that are uploaded on YouTube, that you can go with it. Yeah, if you are not able to find that now, I will provide the link of some classes, some like a playlist that is like that has some that's like I think 100 video of perfection class. I'll provide the link of that playlist in all. I wanted to share, and may this help you, that really that helps me a lot, and I'm really doing well. I was the person who was not able to understand a single really like I can say that I'm really doing very well in English. I'm not saying in maths and reasoning, but I'm really doing very well in English. So I just wanted to, you should follow for once without thinking anything. Like I struggle a lot, so I'm just like saying you that you should follow for once. Please try for once. If you don't like if you feel that it is not like you would like for made for you, then you shouldn't follow it, but try for once, I think. That's why.